Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my new folio album. This is a custom order. One of my friend ordered this. She wanted a travel themed folio album, so I have made this for her. So this time I have made a belly band closure here to close the album, and it's a gatefold album, and this is the front, and so she can write her name here, and these are the sides, the spine of the album, and this is the back. So let's open this up. It opens like this. So this is a belly band to close the album. Now let's open the album. To the left I have made a waterfall where she can fit lot of many photos, and it's a magnetic closure. So we open this up, and here is the waterfall. I have used the 3x4 cutter parts from the collection to embellish this, to mat this waterfall. So on the back it's just plain, so she can add pictures and she can journal over here. So this is the waterfall. So she can fit 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 pictures on this side. So even the folio is small, but still you can put lots of pictures in this. And then we open to this side. On the right I have made a pocket over here, and inside is a tag. She can put more tags if she like. Now on this side I have a double pocket, and in the pockets I have this 4x6 photo mats, or she can journal also. So same as here. Now to the left of this I have made this pocket, and it is a expandable pocket, as you can see, and it has a magnetic closure, so she can fit many pictures, or maybe tickets, flight tickets, train tickets, or maybe some bills when she is traveling in this pocket. Now on this side there is a photo mat for 2 pictures. This is kept open so the picture can slide inside. And on this side I have made again a pocket and a large tag. She can put a picture on this side or maybe journaling. Here I have a standard 5x7 photo mat, and inside is a cute little tag also for journaling or pictures. I love this cameras a lot. This collection is very beautiful. I have made 2 projects from this album, and I'm still left with some more pages. Now on this side again I have the same 5x7 photo mat, and inside is this tag. So here again there is a waterfall. This is for 4x6 pictures, and I have 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 over here, so 6 pictures can go on this side. And here there is also a pocket and a little tag. So she can also put some more pictures inside this, and I just enjoyed a lot making this folio. This was my first folio, and I think I'm gonna do some more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.